Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the Simplistic Home. Today I am here at a thrift store, so I am filming another thrift with me, which is super exciting. You guys know I love thrifting, and that is one of the things that I absolutely love to share here on my channel. So today we are going to be going into one of my favorite local thrift stores. I mentioned this in one of my last thrift with me videos that I'm actually basically collaborating with this company, this thrift store in my area, and I have a little section here that is dedicated to the Simplistic Home, which is super cool. So it's all of my top picks that I find in this thrift store and whatnot. So I share that here on YouTube, and I also share it on Instagram, and I have a Facebook as well. So anyway, it's just been super fun to do that. But I'm going to go in here today. I'm hoping to make it to the Goodwill and possibly the Salvation Army also. So I'm always on the hunt for good pieces of home decor or furniture, and also clothing as well. So let's go ahead and get to thrifting. actually a few days later now. The day that I went out thrifting, we actually had some bad winter weather coming through and every business was like closing and whatnot, and I needed to get back home before it got too late and I was stranded somewhere. So anyway, I only made it to that one thrift store, but I do have a little bit of a haul that I want to share with you guys. There are a couple home related items and then some clothing as well. So we'll just go ahead and dive right into that part. I'll go ahead and start with the home decor, or home decor category, I guess. So I'm a sucker for wooden spoons, especially unique ones. So I found these there. They were $2 a piece. I really like this large one. It's super deep and I like the light wood. So I'll see if you guys can see that better, but it's really pretty. It does have a really long handle, and then I found this smaller one there. It's not as deep, but I'm wanting to collect some more wooden spoons because whenever I start decorating for spring here in a couple of months, I do want to kind of refresh a couple areas in my kitchen. So I'm on the hunt for some really cool wooden spoons. So for $2 a piece, can't beat it. So I did pick these two up. And then I also picked up a comforter set. So I'm currently filming this video in my bedroom, so I will show you that comforter set here in a second because it's already on my bed. And now we can go ahead and move on to the clothing. So I did find 3 shirts and a pair of pants. So I absolutely love thrifting clothing. So if you haven't seen my previous video, it was a winter thrifted wardrobe. I shared like 10 different outfits where they were all thrifted and just how I would style them and whatnot, and gave prices and all of that. So just kind of to inspire you to shop secondhand and show you the things that you can find while thrifting. So here's some more of that. But I did find this very pretty mustard like sweater. It is like a really like thicker knit material. It is from Old Navy and it was only $4. So it does have a little bit of a cowl neck there and it's super pretty, paired with these black jeggings I'm ready to show you. So these are just like a skinny jegging. They are the brand 9 West and these were $3 or $4. I think they were $4, but super cute. I can wear these with everything, but this like paired together was very nice. So anyway, I did buy those, and then I also bought this oversized t-shirt. So it is like an off-the-shoulder tee. It does have a raw hem on it and whatnot all the way around. So this is like very oversized for me. This is a size like, okay, it's a size large, but it's even more oversized. So it's like kind of baggy on me, but I like that look with certain pairs of pants and whatnot. So this is what it looks like. It's just an olive green color. Like I said, it does have like the raw edges on it and whatnot, and even here on the bottom there's like a slit and everything. So anyway, this was $3, I believe. So I picked that up, and then the last thing that I picked up was this really long kimono. It is so pretty. I love cardigans and kimonos, like especially for the spring and the summer with the kimonos. So this is the pattern that is on there. It is so pretty. It has like the navies, the mauves. There's a little bit of like a golden color in there and some browns as well. But it is super long. I wish I would have filmed a clip to put in here for you guys, but whenever I was there trying it on. But it is so pretty, and this was $3 or $4 too. I can't remember. I think it was $4, but very pretty. Like I said, super long. I originally had styled it with some distressed light wash jeans, and then I had a black like silk tank top on that day with it. Very pretty. So anyways, I'll go ahead and insert the clip here for the comforter and give you all the details on that. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Alright you guys, so here is the bedding. So our room is kind of in the middle of a refresh, if you will. So we just like freshly painted the walls and whatnot, so there's like nothing on them currently. But eventually we will be doing like a whole like DIY like accent wall back here and whatnot, so I can film that whenever we do that. But I wanted to show you this comforter, like I said, that I thrifted the other day whenever I went. And this is a king size comforter, so it doesn't exactly go with all of the pillows and stuff that I have right now, so I do need to refresh that as well, but working with what I have currently until we buy some more. So anyway, but it is kind of like a suede material. It's super pretty. I really like the color. I do love color throughout my home, but I do really like a light and airy feel in a bedroom, so it just feels very clean and relaxing to me. just in the bedroom specifically. So anyway, this is what it is looking like currently. Like I said, we will be like adding you know, wall texture and just kind of switching some things out. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. I think it's really pretty, and like I said, it's a king size. We do have a queen size bed, but this is a king size comforter, and it was only $18. So I decided to go ahead and take it while I had the chance. So anyway, there you have it for the comforter. Alright you guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed thrifting with me again today and seeing a little bit of what I purchased on that day. So if you guys enjoy simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, this channel is definitely for you. I hope you consider subscribing today. Be sure to hit that bell notification, that way you are notified every time I post a new video. And head over to my Instagram if you're on Instagram, because I'm on there pretty much every single day. I do thrifting over there as well, simple living, affordable decorating, tips and tricks, and all of that, just like I do here on my YouTube channel. But I am on there daily. So I also wanted to mention I do have a playlist down in my description box. One of them is specifically for thrifted inspo, and the other one is titled For the Home. So if you guys enjoy thrifting and home decorating, I hope you get to check those out and see some previous videos that I have filmed. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.